Hello everyone. In this particular video, we'll be learning this experiment number 4, which is write programs to show use of classes and objects to define functions inside the class. So now let's try to develop a program for the same. What we are going to do as a problem, we'll take one class which is rectangle class and have a area function in it, or we can have perimeter method also if you want. So rectangle and area method, that too inside the class. So let's now start our basic program. Now we are doing it in Dev C++. So using namespace std, we're using standard directory. Now namespace, and for that by hash include IO string. Now if you are using Turbo C compiler, Turbo C++ compiler, you have to use this iostream.h. In Dev C++, we'll be using only iostream. Now as the general structure of C++ says, we have header file declaration followed with global variables followed with class declaration. So what's the syntax of class declaration? It is class followed with class name. So here we'll be giving class name as rectangle. Now any rectangle has two attributes. One is length and second one is breadth. Now whenever you declare attributes like this, they will be treated as private. So in class declaration, as we have already seen the access modifiers, we'll be using public, so that this particular length and breadth we can use outside the class. Now one method, so let's take area method. As general method declaration syntax is return type followed with method name followed with parameters if any. So we'll not be using any parameters. Return. What is the area of rectangle? It is length into breadth. We are returning length into breadth. That's it. Semicolon after class. That completes our class. Now in main. In main function declaration, what we need to do is we need to declare one object of the class. So rectangle, I'm declaring as rect1. You can have any particular identifier name. Rect1 dot length equal to, give any value, I'm giving 5. Rect1 dot breadth equal to suppose 8. Now we need to calculate area of this particular rectangle rect1. So rect1 dot area. Now this method will calculate area of the rectangle, but the method prototype says it is a returning type of function, which it will return int. What it will return? Calculated area. And hence what we'll do is just see out it, that is put it to the console. Now save the program. I'll save it as experiment 4.cpp. Yes. Now you already know how to execute it. Shortcut is F11. As you can see, area of the rectangle is already printed here, which is 40. If you change these values, like if I change to 9 and somewhere, and okay, save and again execute, get it 108. That is the area. You can have it little bit like new modified program like area of rectangle is, so that it will look good. Area of rectangle is 108. So this is your experiment number 4. I hope there will not be any issue in performing this experiment.